Lightspeed is tailor-made for high-frequency day traders and professionals who rely on speed, precision, and direct market access, particularly in equities, options, and futures. Its core platform, Lightspeed Trader, is a downloadable desktop application optimized for low-latency trading and rapid order execution. The software supports advanced order types like pegged orders, reserve orders, discretionary orders, and conditional triggers, ideal for traders who need precise entry and exit control. Active equity traders can use Level 2 data and real-time market depth to gauge momentum and liquidity, while the Smart Order Routing System (LSPT) enables rebate-focused strategies through customizable routes across ECNs and dark pools. For options traders, Lightspeed supports multi-leg strategies such as straddles, strangles, iron condors, butterflies, and custom spreads, with real-time Greeks and implied volatility data. Although its options platform Sterling Voltrader is offered separately, it integrates well for professionals managing complex positions. Options commissions range from 20 cents to 50 cents per contract, depending on volume, and the platform includes risk-reward analytics and theoretical value modeling. However, tools like options chains and strategy builders are more functional than visually intuitive, favoring speed over user-friendliness. In the futures space, Lightspeed connects via ECMS, formerly Realtick, offering low-latency order routing for CME, NYMEX, CBOT, and other exchanges. Traders can manage contracts in equity indexes, commodities, interest rates, and more, with execution costs starting at $1.29 per side plus exchange fees. There's also co-location support and the ability to trade spreads and calendar roll strategies, key for short-term futures scalpers or arbitrage traders. While Lightspeed does not offer direct forex trading, users can gain currency exposure via futures, like 6E for Euro USD or ETFs. For algo traders or quants, the 2023 API launch provides RESTful access and fixed connectivity, letting you build custom automated strategies with order management, position tracking, and real-time data feeds. Overall, Lightspeed's ecosystem prioritizes execution speed, routing control, and granular customization, making it ideal for day traders managing dozens or hundreds of trades per day, options traders deploying multi-leg volatility plays, and futures traders exploiting micro-movements. It's not designed to educate or guide, it's meant to empower traders who already know what they're doing and want a professional-grade toolset to compete at the highest level.